Boring noodles got you down?
Jesus?
No, you dumb. We're trying to make a video here. Alright, so first hack, what you want to do is throw in some cilantro. If you don't like cilantro and you think they taste like soap, well, I've got another hack for you. You just rinse them in cold water, no soap, and that's it. Secondly, what you want to do is you want to add some I ain't got time to make my own beef broth at home for ingredient. And what that consists of is instant beef paste, some ground chili with garlic that will make it red and tasty, and some sriracha, obviously. You can add some hoisin sauce if you want, but I recommend these. Okay, so for the third hack, what you could do is add an egg or two and you'll be okay. Okay, so for the fourth hack, I recommend adding a meat of your choice. But I recommend some cheap and less prep time is some pork rind, or what they call it, pork fried skin at the Asian store. It only costs $1.99. $1.99, guys, that's cheap. But wait, we're not done yet. Here is the fifth hack. What you could do is fry your ramen noodles and add some eggs and cilantro with it, and you are set. So what you gotta do is you just boil your noodle, and after that dump out the water and then add your eggs and cilantro and whatever else you want to add. You could add the pork rind, you could do anything with all these that I've just given you, and you are set. And now you've got a bomb ass ramen noodle. Nothing lame. No lame ramen noodles here. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below if you got some other cheap hacks that you could share with others that I did not mention. And also,
Okay, I've been working like 3 jobs. Probably why I never see ya. Probably why I never have time for the fake friends that won't be ya. Oh God, I've been running now. Up early when the sun is out. Not setting out my own soul, but those real ones, they coming out. Oh look who's reaching out. Old friends wanna